How to check if an iPhone is iCloud locked or not. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can check if an iPhone is iCloud locked or not. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your settings. After you've opened up your settings, you can then head over to your profile, tap on your name on the top. After you've done that, you should find different options. Head over to Find My and check if the Find My iPhone is turned off or on. So if it is turned off, that means that your iCloud is not locked. If it is turned on, that means it has an activation code and the current owner needs to unlock this before selling it or before giving it to someone else. So yeah, that's basically how you can check if an iPhone is iCloud locked or not. And yeah, that is basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like the video if you found this helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave it down in the comment box below. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.